Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication of decimals and mixed decimals including money using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. What is a routine problem? Routine problem is a translation problem in which you can write an equation and there is an immediate solution. What is a non-routine problem? Non-routine problem is a problem in which it requires analysis and insights into known principles of mathematics. These are the steps in solving routine problems. First, we should understand the problem. In understanding, read the question twice or thrice, then know what is asked and what is or are the given facts. Second, formulate a plan. In planning, consider the following. Know what is or are the operations to be used and what is the number sentence. The third step is we're going to carry out the plan. Let's solve the problem. In solving, show your solution and label the final answer. Lastly, we're going to check or look back. In checking, go back and check the flow of your computation. This is our first problem. A kilo of grapes cost 250 pesos and 50 centavos. How much will you pay if you buy 4 and 5/10 kilos? Our first problem is a routine problem. So, we're going to use the four-step plan. First, we need to understand the problem. We should know what is asked. So, what is asked in this problem? Alright, the problem is asking for the amount of 4 and 5/10 kilos of grapes. What are the given facts? The given facts are 250 pesos and 50 centavos a kilo of grapes, 4 and 5/10 kilos of grapes. We already understand the problem. What is the next step? Alright, the next step is we're going to make a plan. What is the operation to be used? Alright, the operation to be used is multiplication. What is the number sentence? The number sentence is 250 pesos and 50 centavos times 4 and 5/10 is equal to n. Since we have already a plan, then let's solve the problem. 250 pesos and 50 centavos times 4 and 5/10. So let's multiply. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5, regroup 2. 5 times 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5, regroup 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Next, 4 times 0 is equal to 0. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 0, regroup 2. 4 times 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 0, regroup 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Next, we add the partial products. So, bring down 0. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Bring down 1. Then, we're going to count the number of decimal places in our factors. So we have 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to count 3 decimal places in our product. So we put the decimal point after 2. Then we put the peso sign. Therefore, 4 and 5/10 kilos of grapes cost 1,127 pesos and 25 centavos. Alright, we already solved the problem. The last step is we're going to check. In checking, check your answer by repeating the calculation. This is one way to check if your answer is correct. This is our second problem. The product of two decimal numbers is 24 hundredths. Their sum is 1. What are the two decimal numbers? The second problem is a non-routine problem. So we can use the guess and test or trial and error. First, we're going to list down all the factors of 24 hundredths. As we all know that, in multiplying decimal numbers, multiply as if multiplying whole number first. So, we can find first the factors of 24. So, 24, this is equal to 24 times 1, 12 times 2, and 6 times 4. Next is we're going to put the decimal point. So 2 and 4/10 times 1/10. 1 and 2/10 times 2/10. 6/10 times 4/10. In our problem, it is said that the product of two decimal numbers is 24 hundredths. So let's find out in the factors which satisfy in our condition. So let's check. 2 and 4/10 times 1/10 is equal to 24 hundredths. So it's check. The second one, 1 and 2/10 times 2/10 is equal to 24 hundredths. Also it's check. The third one, 6/10 times 4/10 is equal to 24 hundredths. So all the factors, their product are 24 hundredths. So let's find the second condition. Their sum is 1. So we're going to add all the factors. So 2 and 4/10 plus 1/10 is equal to 2 and 5/10. 1 and 2/10 plus 2/10 is equal to 1 and 4/10. 6/10 plus 4/10 is equal to 1. So the two decimal numbers are 6/10 and 4/10. I hope that you understand our lesson for today. With that, mathematics may not teach us how to add love and subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.